Happy birthday. I know you hate me. Well, I miss you too. I know it's kinda late, but happy birthday.
Hello Park, happy birthday, and wish ko sa iyo is more strong pa, more medals, basta good health, and sana magkaroon ka na ng love life. Anyway, enjoy your day. Happy birthday again. God bless you and more blessings, good health, more money, like happiness. And stay healthy. I mean, stay sexy. Sexy. Alright. Happy birthday! Miss you.
Hi, Banana! Birthday mo na naman. So, we will celebrate your birthday this coming Sunday sa Muay Thai Station. So, cheers! Pak!
Hola! Happy birthday, Banana. God bless you always.
Hi Banana, happy birthday. Wishing you an amazing year. Syempre good health and more blessings to come. Again, happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Banana! Wishing you all happiness on your special day. And always fighting Muay Thai. Fighting! Happy birthday!
Hi, Banana! Happy birthday! More blessings to come and God bless! More win to come!
Hi Park. Hi Banana Champs. Hi champion. Happy birthday. Hopefully enjoy your day. Wish you good health. And sana'y malasing mo sila, hindi ako. Anyway, happy birthday. Stay humble. And stay pretty. Love you.
Hi! Happy birthday, Banana! I wish you a good health, long life, and more sharp punches, and a heavy kicks. I wish you a year filled with more victories, belt, and trophies. God bless. Mwah.
Hi Leah, happy birthday. Sorry I can't come. We've got some guests coming. Hope you have a great day and don't get too drunk.
Happy birthday!
To Banana, happy birthday, and then good luck sa lahat ng fight mo, and collect more trophy and belt, of course belt and medal, and then always pray, stay humble, and I hope na, I think you did it already, na ikasang champion na ngayon. You're the champ of MTS, and then before is UMT, and then God bless sa lahat ng fight. Hi, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Parky. Sa akin, wala akong masabi sa iyo na ano, kasi napaka-low profile mo. Sa akin lang, wish ko good health, long live, and God bless you always.
Hi, Ate Banana, happy birthday. God bless palagi sa'yo at sana gabayan ka laging Lord sa lahat ng laban mo. At maraming salamat dahil nakilala ka namin. Ikaw ang aming master. Maraming salamat. Happy birthday, God bless, and more birthdays to come. Enjoy your day. Happy. Fight.
Banana, my banana. Happy birthday. Sending you a bouquet of happiness and good health. Happy birthday.
Hello, buddy. happy birthday. Sana marami pang birthday yung dumating. Celebrate with us. Marami pang laban ang may panalo. At sana may panalo yung mga pangarap mo sa buhay mo. Andito lang kami mga kaibigan mo. Handang sumuporta sa'yo all the way. Thank you. At lagi kang down to earth na kaibigan. Laging maaasahan. Madaling lapitan. Sana marami pang time na magkakasama tayo, marami pang celebrations, laban, na sabay-sabay nating ma-achieve. Thank you sa pagiging mabuting kaibigan, apaka-supportive mo lagi. Thank you, buddy. May God bless you more.
Happy birthday, Banana! Praying for your health and protection always. Ingat ka dyan palagi. I miss you!
Hi, Parky! Dito ngayon ako sa Korea. Maulan. Sana dyan sa Hong Kong, hindi. Charot. Parky, birthday mo daw. Akala ko next year pa. Joke lang. Happy birthday, Parky. Wish you all the best. I feel so grateful dahil nagkaroon ako ng kaibigan tulad mo. So, napakabait at napakabait mong kaibigan, napakabuti ng puso mo. Sana ipagpatuloy mo lang yan. Wala na akong masasabi pa bukod sa sana magkaroon ka ng love life. yung mayaman, mapera, macho, may abs, ganon. Parky, thank you dahil hindi ka nagbago mula nang nakilala kita, hindi ka nagbago. Ganon ka pa rin hanggang ngayon. So ipagpatuloy mo lang yan, stay humble, always keep your feet on the ground. Alam ko malayo pa yung mararating mo. And marami kaming nagmamahal sa'yo. Team MTS, we proud of you. You make us proud. Thank you dahil sa napaka-hardworking, dedicated sa lahat ng bagay na gusto mo i-pursue sa life mo. Thank you. So, happy birthday. Sana next year, this coming year, or this year, sana magkaroon ka talaga ng love life. Marami kaming nag-aabang na maging ninang at ninong. So, Park, happy birthday. Sana magustuhan mo itong munting handog namin sa'yo. Happy birthday! We love you!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Bye-bye. Happy birthday, Tita Neneng. I love you. I bless you. Bless you. Happy birthday, Tita Neneng. I love you. I miss you. God bless you. Please stay safe. Mwah. Happy birthday, Tita Neneng. I love you. Happy birthday, Tita Neneng. I love you. Halong kamuda kay Tita Tata. Mwah!
Sa amon nga pinakagwapo nga pakaisa, Neng, happy 18th birthday. Wish ko lang mag-ingat ka palagi at enjoy mo lang kung anong hilig mo na sports. Yan lang.
Sawadika! Happy birthday to my most beautiful cousin inside and out. And I hope your day is as bright as you are. And I pray that you have more blessings to come, more reasons to smile every day, and more guys to beat up inside the ring. Again, happy birthday and enjoy your special day. Sawadika!
Morning! I was in the other side of the island when someone asked me a favor to take this short message para sa imo. But anyway, for me, I am not doing a favor, but rather I want you to know how special and important you are to us. Happy birthday, Ning. You may be older than yesterday, but still younger than tomorrow. Speaking of yesterday, daw sa kanila upod kita hampang, ikaw, sila Inday, si Tata, si Toto, si Nunoy. Hindi lang kamo namon, katiyaan, but rather our magulang with shared childhood memories, our childhood playmates, and as well as best friend man. Kung ano man nalabot kay subong, naging part ka. You're truly blessings sa amon. Happy birthday. I wish you all the best of everything. And pray lang kita per meaning. Happy birthday naman.
Nay, deleted happy birthday. Silang bertahan. Sa saan ka mauwi? Uwi ka, bidalaan ko ng paha ninyo, ko paha. Hindi lang kwarta, paha na lang. Ito na.
Happy birthday, Ning. Halo ka mo da perme. I love you. Sano kang puli, Ning. Damong kaulat ni sa ibo. Miss you. Miss you. I love you so much.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
We love you so much.
We love you so much.
Kiss, kiss.
Kiss, kiss.
Mwah.
Mwah. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Everybody, happy